Welcome to the Beginner's Guide to Trading Forex. This is not like other beginner trading courses. This is what I wish someone had told me before I started my trading journey. You will not learn lots of technical stuff on how to trade, because I don't want you to make the mistake most beginner traders make. They spend years learning everything because they have no idea what is important. Before you learn to trade Forex, you need to know what is important. Otherwise, you can spend years spinning your wheels acquiring more and more knowledge, most of which will be irrelevant. After this course, you will know what is important and then you can choose what you learn. But the process will be much faster and more efficient. This mini-course will prepare you to go learn to trade, but you will understand what your trading goal should be and how simple setups can take you to that trading goal. This simplicity has taken me years to learn. I want to save you those years in your learning curve. I wish you all the best in your trading journey.